Hi all, welcome to another video of Ride for All. Xin chào mọi người, namaskaram, namaste, hi, hello. Today we are in Baulop, see that? It's so beautiful. Clear sky, rolling hills everywhere. It's so beautiful. Yesterday was a fun day. Actually, I feel like I really inaugurated my Transalp, and that was like me and my friend and her, both of our wives. We actually went to see sunset somewhere in Balo, and actually it turns out to be an off-roady route. And we took it anyway, and I took my Transalp there without a skid plate. There was a lot of loose sand and rocks. Somehow nothing happened to the engine, but on the way there was a pit, and I accidentally stopped there and then asked my wife to get out, and I tried to go forward, but I had to hold the brake and I couldn't step my foot. I mean, like, I couldn't catch the step, yeah, so I made a fall, actually made the first fall and Transalp, and I lost my brake levers, so half of the, not nearly 70% of the brake levers is gone. So I have to ride from here to Saigon with a 30% brake lever, but it's still okay. I can still hold it, so it's fine. I rode it back from those trails with that brake, so it's totally fine to ride it back to Saigon, but I still need to get a replacement for my brake lever. So I messaged my sales guy who was taking care of me before, and he told me that, yeah, let him check with the service guys, and he will let me know the quote today. So we are gonna see the cost to change the brake lever. So let me guys show you. There you go. Hope you guys can see that. We lost almost all of it, but yeah, I'm gonna ride on this today and tomorrow back to Saigon. Not much. So the SW Motec bodyguard saved my fairings, and I got some figgly thing going on here. I just need to fix it. I need to remove that thing over there, and then I can fix it myself. But yeah, I'm gonna take it to Honda anyway, and they're gonna fix it for me. So yeah, officially inaugurated the Transalp on off roads. So that was something. Yes! Yeah. Okay. You go, yeah? You need to get down. Go, go, go. Okay. Yeah. Yes. It was a little bit of pain to see your bike go down for the first time, but once it goes down, you'll somehow have that kind of like, positive vibe that okay, it has gone down once, now it's over. You can put it down again. So yeah, finally, we're just we're just gonna explore Baolap today. Just go around here, ride around the town. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hope you guys saw my Transalp, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, ride safe, stay safe, and have fun. Ciao, ciao.